You need to learn how to use this AI so you never have to pay for creating AI videos or images again. But be careful, because this will only work if we follow the right method. So today, I'm going to show you all the features this AI comes with, which will let us create things like videos with realistic audio.
Everyone says we pigs spend our whole lives thinking about food. That's pure slander.
Or add whatever character we want so they always appear in our videos. The AI I'm talking about is Juan. Using it is very easy. First, I'm going to show you the basic method, and then the one I personally follow to create higher quality content while keeping the free, unlimited version. Alright, let's go to Generate. Here we can do two things. First, we can generate a video directly by keeping this configuration and adding a prompt. If we send it, we'll see that in just a second we'll have a very high-quality video. But we can actually do it even better. To begin with, let's go to Explore. Here we'll have Community Creations. The videos have ultra-realistic sound and maintain very good presentation quality. That tells us this tool is perfect for implementing into any of our workflows. So once I show you how we're going to configure it properly, I'm also going to show you the best use cases for getting the most out of it. To configure it properly, let's start by going back to Generate. Here, instead of video, we're going to go to Image, because this way, if we add the aspect ratio we want and use the latest model with a prompt, we can ask it for different options. It's much better to do it this way, because then we can turn something into a video that we already control perfectly. Once we have it, we can do several things. To start with, this model is very good at editing images. We can upload the image we just created and ask it to change one specific part, or even upload several images and ask it to use them as references. As you can see, the results are pretty good. You can also browse through Explore because there aren't only videos there. There are also some images people share that you can use as inspiration. Now let's turn them into video. We go back to Generate, and in the video section, it's very important that we do the following. First, we select the same aspect ratio as the image we created before. And in these frames, we'll have different options. First, if we want to turn an image into a video, we simply upload it in Start Frame, which is this one. And with a good prompt, in just a moment, it will turn it into a very high-quality video. At the end of the video, I'm going to leave all the prompts I'm using today, plus the link to this platform. And if you don't want to miss more guides like this, remember to subscribe, hit like, and leave a positive comment. On the other hand, it also lets us add an end frame. What this does is let us add one starting image and one ending image, and the video will create a natural animation between both of them, connecting them. That gives us very interesting things like this. But we can still do it even better. We can simply write a prompt and then look at this option down here. We'll have an advanced configuration we can apply to everything we do in the video. A camera movement setting that lets us control every aspect of what appears on screen, and even different camera lenses to create different kinds of shots. And just like the best video tools, it lets us control the lighting and the overall style of the video. So if it already had a very strong understanding of prompts, once we add these settings, everything we generate will have incredible quality. But those aren't the only video models it has. If, where it says Generate, we switch to Starring, we'll be able to use its avatars so they can appear in our videos. We just have to click it and look at how it gets added. Now, if we add a prompt, the generated video will include one or more of the characters we selected. But we can also do really interesting things like clicking Add Roll, uploading an image, going to the Effect section, and asking it to turn it into a video following some of these styles, like this one, for example, to create viral videos. And if you were worried that the generated clips would be too short, in the Edit section we have things like Extend, where if we upload a video we already generated, as you can see, we can extend it together with a prompt describing what happens in this new scene. Honestly, this AI surpasses the best paid tools in many different areas. And as you can see, it isn't giving us any limit, and it isn't asking us for anything to generate this content. But alright, what's the point of generating all these high-quality images if we can't make real use of them? Well, I'm going to show you the best methods I found for taking advantage of all these models.
Let's say we know someone who wants to sell a product, or we ourselves want to advertise one, but we don't have the budget left for a full ad with a photo shoot and a production with actors. Very simple. What we're going to do is go to Generate, switch to Image, upload the image of our product, ask it to create it in 16:9, and click Generate. As you've seen, I added some prompts that change the places where it appears, putting it in locations where it would be impossible for our product to actually be. And the best part is that on this same platform, we can switch to Video, add that first image, and turn it into a video with no problem. And the same thing goes if we use the Starring option. We can alternate actor clips with clips of our product. It will keep generating different things. But there's more.
As you know, on the channel, we already have several videos explaining how to create long videos with AI, and most of them depend on one thing: having a free, unlimited tool that can generate eye-catching clips. And this is perfect for that. Seriously, look at these horizontal clips I'm creating, which I can later take into any tool like CapCut and join one after another, then narrate over them with my own voice and create an exciting story. The good part is that we have tools that can keep the same character consistent, so this is the ideal AI for that. Now, if what you want is to generate maximum quality video and images using the best models on the market, then we have Higgsfield. Here, we can generate video with sound at a super high quality. We can also start from images we create with models like the new Nano Banana 2. And unlike the Gemini version, it won't have a watermark and it will generate without quality limitations, giving us several images at once so we can choose the best one. And because everything is grouped together in one place inside the platform, once the image is generated, we can click Animate and it will take us to a super useful interface where we can turn it into video using the best models. For example, Kling 3.0. We select how long we want the video to be, the quality we want it to have, and we can even add a prompt asking for what happens in the video we're creating and generate it. On top of that, everything is grouped into these top tabs that let us move through all the options it has, whether it's images, video, audio, or anything else, and it keeps expanding. We have super interesting options like ID character, which lets us create our own profile with our images and then have the AI analyze them whenever we want so it can add us into different scenes. All of that in one place without having to pay for several subscriptions at once. I'm going to leave the link so you can try it in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. Now, going back to the use cases we can give one of the ones I've been using is for inspiration. Having all these videos available and being able to check exactly what prompt was used to create any one that catches our attention is helping me a lot when it comes to creating better content with any other tool. But if you've been paying close attention to the videos in the Explore section, you'll notice there's one type that stands out a lot: content designed to go viral online. These are the kinds of videos that don't really say much, but people still stop and watch them, whether they're satisfying clips or visually striking things, or even short story scenes that we can dub with our own voice. The important thing is that we stay creative. In the Generate section, we can create anything. We just need to spend enough time on it. And like I promised at the beginning of the video, if you want all the prompts I use today, just go to the description of this video, join the Discord where we're already almost 40,000 members, go to the bot PDF channel, and send the bot a message. When it replies, send it the link to the video you want the PDF for, follow the steps, and you'll get another completely free PDF with all the prompts I used today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.